Welcome back to Internet Avail. In this video, we are going to look into how can you get to delete a WhatsApp group in just simple steps. But before you get into that, if you do love my video or find them educative or helpful, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss these kind of videos and many more to come. So first thing first, you need to open your WhatsApp application. Preferably, I'm expecting you're using the updated version, and then you will need to head to the WhatsApp group that you want to delete. For my case, I'll quickly open this one. You can see I'm on this group, sell and buy cars, and for this case, if I want to delete this group, I'll just have two options which I can get to use. First of all, I can get to come to this section right here, and I get to delete each and every contact one by one, but that's the long method. So the easy way, you need to just to come back, and then on your group you need to click the three buttons on the top, and then from here you'll see two options, which is group information, but our main focus is the more option. So get to click the more button, and it's going to bring you to this other tab whereby you can get to see report. Once you get to report the group, it will be you'll be requested to provide the information why you have reported the group, and of course if you want them to the admin to block you from that group, they can get to do that. The other thing, of course, the easy way is to just click the exit group button, and you'll be good to go. So once you get to click the exit group, right away it's going to drive you to the option whereby it's going to remove you from the group immediately, and that's how easy it is for you to delete any group. From there, after you get to exit, you get to delete the group now, so that you don't see the previous text that was sent into that particular group. So that's how easy it is. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.